motion and examining the effects of different variables such as mass and radius. Now I will do a uniform circular motion for radius 30 centimeters, mass 1 20 grams and mass 2 100 grams. Now I will repeat the same process for mass 1 40 grams and mass 2 100 grams. I have measured the time for 30 revolutions while mass 2 stays 100 grams and mass 1 changes from 20 to 40 to 60 and to 80 grams. Now I will measure the time for 30 revolutions while mass 1 remains constant and mass 2 changes from 100 grams to 180 grams. The radius is 30 centimeters, mass 1 is 40 grams, and mass 2 is 120 grams. Now I will examine the effects of radius in uniform circular motion. I have the data for radius 30 centimeters. Now I will measure the time for radius 15, 45 and 60 centimeters. The radius is now 15 centimeters, mass 1 is 40 grams and mass 2 is 100 grams. In this part of the experiment, the relationship between mass of the object that is moving in uniform circular motion and period of this motion was observed. Collected data are 0.43 seconds, 0.65 seconds, 0.80 seconds, and 0.91 seconds as M1 changes from 20 grams to 40, 60 to 80 grams. This data confirms that when other variables are constant, increase in mass of the object results in increase of the period. In the second part, the aim was to examine the relationship between centripetal force, which is m2 times g, and period of the uniform circular motion. Collected data are 0.65 seconds, 0.59 seconds, 0.53 seconds, 0.49 seconds, and 0.44 seconds as M1 increased from 100 grams to 180 grams by 20 grams. This confirms that while other variables are constant, increase in M2 results in decrease of the period because square of the period is inversely proportional to the centripetal force. In the third part, the relationship between radius and period was observed, as other variables remained constant and radius changed from 15 centimeters to 30, 45 and 60 centimeters. Period was measured as 0.42 seconds, 0.65 seconds, 0.81 seconds and 0.93 seconds. This data confirms that while other variables are constant, increase in radius causes period to increase. The data collected in each step has smaller value than the expected result, and the errors in each step are 7.7%, 9.6% and 7.4%. The cause may be personal errors such as spinning M1 too fast, accidentally changing the radius, or not starting or stopping the stopwatch at the exact time. The error percentages are small, which shows that the experiment was successful and met its goal. Thank you for listening.